I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question from my subscriber. The question here is P minus 5 minus 8 lies on the terminal arm of an angle in standard position. State two coterminal angles for the principal angle. Make sure one is negative, right? So let us see what is given to us. Let's say that's the coordinate plane. When we're talking about point P, which is minus 5 minus 8, that means minus 5 minus 8, somewhere in quadrant 3, correct? So let's say that's the terminal arm, correct? So in that case, if I form a triangle here, this is how it is going to look like, okay, where we are given this point as minus 5 minus 8, correct? That means this is minus 5 and this is minus 8. Now we need to state two coterminal angles. What I find is that some students do not understand what is coterminal angle. Coterminal means the angles which terminate at the same point, right? So let's try to understand coterminal. So coterminal angle means terminating at same point or place, right? So I mean from the word, okay. So for example, the angle is, this is one angle, right? This is the principal angle. This is itself a principal angle. So that could be one angle. We could find this. The other angles could be, we could go like this in two circles. We can go like this. Do you understand? Like this. That becomes a coterminal angle. Or we could even go the other way. You mean like this. So that is what we mean by make sure one of the angle is negative, correct? So I hope you understand the situation. So now what we will do here is we'll find a related acute angle. We'll find this angle first. Is it okay? Now this angle basically is same as, if I extend this, then that is the angle alpha. So this is same as alpha, correct? So we'll find the acute angle alpha from this situation. So we have alpha, and if I draw an diagram here which reflects this on the origin, we get these phi's as 5, 8, correct? So that means this is 8. So we have tan alpha, where alpha is the acute angle, as 8 over 5, the y value divided by the x value, and alpha equals to tan inverse of 8 over 5, correct? So let's find this angle. So we have shift tan inverse 8 divided by 5 bracket close equals to 57.9. Let me call this as 58 degrees. So this angle alpha is 58 degrees. So what is the principal angle? That is to say, what is this angle? We'll call this angle as theta. Is it okay? So theta is equal to 180 degrees plus 58 degrees. So let's calculate this. 180 plus 58 equals to 238. So that becomes one of these angles. And what is a negative angle? We can find that the angle other than theta, which is a coterminal angle, could be, if you go from this side, total is 360, so it could be 360 degrees. It is of course negative, right? So because we are measuring clockwise, minus 238, correct? So it is negative of, let's do this, 360 minus 238 equals to 122. So minus 122 degrees. Do you see that? You can actually give more coterminal angles like this. So coterminal angles you can get by adding 360 degrees. You could also get, let's say, gamma, another angle, as 238 plus 360 as I showed here, right? Full circle, add them up, equals to how much? So we could get 238 plus 360, which is 598 degrees. So here I have given you three angles. One of them is the principal angle, right? So this one, theta, is the principal angle. Which is theta for us. And the other two coterminal angles which we have given are 598 degrees and minus 122 degrees. Do you see that? This is minus 122 degrees. That is how you could always solve this question. So you have to look at the terminating arm and the angles which terminate on that arm. Maybe after one circle, one full circle, two full circles, either direction will all be coterminal angles. So I hope the concept is clear. Feel free to post your questions and remarks. Share my videos, and if you like, that'll be great. Thank you and all the best.